Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning about introduction to drone mapping software. After a drone survey mission is completed and all aerial images have been collected, the next step is processing the data. This is where drone mapping software becomes essential. Drone mapping software takes the hundreds or thousands of images captured during a survey flight and transforms them into accurate maps, 3D models, and geographic data. Without this software, the drone images would simply remain as individual photographs with limited practical use. Let's explore what drone mapping software does and why it is such an important part of the surveying workflow. What is drone mapping software? Drone mapping software is a specialized type of software designed to analyze aerial images and convert them into usable mapping products. Using photogrammetry algorithms, the software processes overlapping drone images and reconstructs the surveyed environment digitally. During this process, the software identifies matching features across multiple images, calculates their position in three-dimensional space, and generates different mapping outputs. Key outputs produced by drone mapping software. Drone mapping software can generate several types of professional outputs, including orthomosaic maps. These are high resolution aerial maps created by stitching together multiple images into one accurate, seamless image of the survey area. 3D models. The software can reconstruct terrain, buildings, and structures into detailed three-dimensional models. Point clouds. Millions of points representing the exact position and elevation of surfaces across the surveyed landscape. Digital surface models (DSM). Elevation models that include terrain as well as objects like buildings and trees. Digital terrain models (DTM). Elevation models that represent the bare ground surface without structures or vegetation. These outputs allow engineers, planners, and surveyors to analyze terrain, measure distances, calculate volumes, and monitor changes over time. Why drone mapping software is important? Drone mapping software is what transforms raw drone imagery into actionable geographic data. Instead of manually measuring the land, professionals can use these digital models to measure distance and area, calculate stockpile volumes, monitor construction progress, analyze terrain and elevation changes. This makes surveying projects faster, more efficient, and more data rich compared to traditional methods. Automation and processing power. Modern drone mapping software uses powerful algorithms and automations to process large amounts of image data. Depending on the size of the survey area, processing may take several minutes or several hours. Once completed, the results can be exported to other tools used in GIS, CAD, or engineering software. The role of software in the drone survey workflow. In the drone surveying workflow, the software acts as the bridge between image capture and data analysis. The typical workflow looks like this: plan the survey mission, capture aerial images with the drone, load images to mapping software, process images into maps and models, analyze and export the results. Understanding how drone mapping software works is essential for producing professional survey outputs from drone data. In the next lecture, we will explore how drone images are processed step by step to generate accurate maps using photogrammetry software. Thank you.